Watch this video to understand how to make the right investment for your learning. Number 1. Invest in your learning based on your available schedule. If you are a hard-working person but you still want to improve your English skills, you can take 1 or 2 evening classes a week or a daily schedule of 6 or more classes a day. Number 2. Invest in your learning based on the school's reputation. It's always a good idea to search about the school first before you pay the course. Find out how teachers are trained plus the years of experience. Also, find out the great results they have produced to the students. Number 3. Invest your learning based on your expected outcome. Remember, understand what you want to achieve before you pay for the courses. Do you just need a short-term course or a long-term course? For example, tests of English require a long-term course, while other ESL courses can be learned short-term. To sum it up, remember to invest in your learning based on your available schedule, school's reputation, and your expected outcome. In CIP English Online, we value what you invest in your learning.